Hello, I'm David Moore and I'm the Chairman of the Trustees of Lowdham Railway Heritage. And when Network Rail closed this signal box in 2016, we decided it'd be a pity to let it be demolished. And so we formed a charity, got permission from Network Rail to move it, and then moved it one Saturday night. And we've restored it, tried to put the interior of it back to how it was in the 1950s, wired up as much as we can so that we can demonstrate it in use. And it's now a thriving museum with open days, and we do open days perhaps usually one Sunday afternoon and one Tuesday evening each month. Now the reason for the Tuesday evening ones is that it gives you an opportunity to see the signal box in the dark. The atmosphere of the signal box in the dark when it's possibly foggy in winter or is just such a completely different atmosphere to a sunny day like today. And this week we're running Heritage Open Days, which means that we're on the National Trust's Heritage Open Days website. And what we're doing as a special event for this week is running a demonstration of the signalling. We've taken a page out of the 1954 working timetable, and there's 7 trains in about an hour. Well, it would have been 6, but we pretend that one train is running half an hour late, and that meant that we have to shunt a goods train out of the way of an express passenger train. So what we normally do in a regular tour, which lasts an hour, is we tell you a bit about what signalling is for, how signalling was done in the early days of the railways before electric telegraph was invented, about time interval working and so on. And we then show how the electric telegraph was made to work and the transformation it did. We show you what a signalman did as one train comes through, and then we tell you a little bit about the safety and the inventions that have been developed as a result of accidents and so on. So there's a lot that we do that brings the signal box to life and actually helps you understand what a signalman did and how responsible a job it was.